Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your environment and hardware for clear voice typing. Place your microphone 6 inches from your mouth and slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. Choose a noise-reduced room to cut background sound and enable microphone noise cancellation in the settings. Select the correct input device and confirm the language for the dictation engine. Test with a short sentence to check volume and clarity before you begin longer dictation sessions. Adopt clear dictation habits to improve accuracy when you voice type. Speak in phrases and pause briefly to help the engine insert punctuation correctly. Use explicit commands like comma, period, and newline when you need precise punctuation or paragraph breaks. Enunciate numbers and symbols clearly, for example, say form 1099 or 5, 000, and 3. 5 inches exactly as intended. If accuracy drops, slow your speaking rate and repeat the sentence for better transcription. After dictation, verify the transcript for homophones and context mistakes before finalizing. Scan quickly for errors like there are verses there and correct them manually using the keyboard. Use keyboard shortcuts for copy, paste, and undo to speed up manual edits after voice typing. If you notice persistent misrecognitions, retrain or recalibrate your microphone or switch to a different model. Finally, save versions frequently and export text to your preferred editor for formatting and sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.